Nova CSS Animation Studio is a real-time visual tool for developers and designers to create and fine-tune CSS animations effortlessly. It provides a simple, intuitive interface to generate production-ready CSS code without writing it from scratch. How it works, step by step. Select an animation. Choose a base animation from the preset list, such as fade in, slide in, bounce, or rotate. Customize parameters. Use the controls on the left panel to adjust every property of the animation in real time. You can define the duration, timing function like ease in out, delay, iteration count, including infinite loops, and playback direction. Watch the live preview. As you adjust the settings, a preview element on the right instantly updates and plays the animation, giving you immediate visual feedback on your changes. Copy the code. The application automatically generates the complete, clean CSS code, including the necessary at keyframes. When you are satisfied with the result, simply click the Copy button to transfer the code